Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna start next session trading with binary options on Quadex. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, as well as the Telegram group where you can learn a lot of useful information about trading in general and particularly with binary options. So let's start straight away. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And today's video is gonna be starting with $160. And let's go straight away. So let's see. Okay, so we're going on with the put option here because there's a strong signal there on the maximum point, and then the lowering from that maximum. As you can see, it's a strong signal to go for a put option. So let's wait for the result. And here it is. The first profit is $308. So we're gonna go ahead and go with, we have 317. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna place 317 for our next option here. 317. I'm gonna change the currency. Okay, so there is a bull trend there, we can see that, and I see a slight pullback, so I'm gonna go with the call option because I reckon the price is gonna go up. Here is the second profit, $592. This is pretty good. So the next option we can make 590 maybe. So yeah, as you can see, this worked out. The price, although it entered into a flat here for the time being, but in a longer period, I reckon the price is gonna go up because the trend was pretty good. Strong trend there, bull trend, so the uptrend. So maybe I reckon this is a kind of that this is the kind of a pullback. So, but it worked for us. It worked. I mean, for the longer period, maybe you need to wait a bit more for it to go back up. But here it is already starting to go up a little bit. Okay, so 590, and let's go to this here, and I'm gonna go with a call option here because see the stochastic there is being quite a while in the lower area of the market, so oversold, so it's spent there being sold a lot, and so the price would be starting to go up, I reckon, in the next few minutes. So I think we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this one, and then the price will still rise a bit more after that, because basically we're buying from the lower, from considering that we're at the bottom right now. So we buy where once it hits the bottom, spends a bit of time in there, we buy. So after that, the price should be going up after spending quite a while in the lower section of the market, so with the low price. Here is the profit, $1,106 on our balance. And obviously 1 minute is not a long time, but still we can benefit from these market behaviors, if you would. So the next is we can do 1,000, a maximum one, and we're gonna go for a put option here. I think let's go with the put option, because there's a resistance level there. As you can see, the moving average the works here works as a resistance level. So we're gonna go for a put option because I reckon it's gonna bounce off this resistance level. The MA that's basically behaving now as a moving average. I mean, as a resistance level is something to consider. It broke through the. It acted as a support level just before, and then now it's trying to break through the resistance level now, but it's likely to go. It's likely to go down. So here is our profit, 1,930. It's a really good payout, 93%. Not every time you get this good payout. As you can see, some of them are 87, 93 is really good. So we go with a couple of thousand now, and I mean, here, right here we see a bear trend, so a downtrend. So we're gonna go with the put option, and because this is a good example where you don't need to invent a lot right now. It's just this train that's going down, and we just jump in it, and here we are. It's starting to go down as planned. Obviously you're not safe from any pullbacks and stuff like that, but usually right now it's a good point to go for a put option right here. When you start trading and you learn stuff, you also trust a bit your intuition apart from everything else, because just looking at the pattern, because you look at them so much every day that your eye starts to see without even need of interpreting. It sees, this usually works out. This is a good point where I can go into the trade, for example, as a put option. That's something. So practice. Okay, we're gonna go with the next option. I'm gonna have a 3,000 option now. Let's go to the other currency. Actually, here I'm gonna go with a call option here, because as you can see, these candles there, they're showing, if you look at it, they're quite strong. They're showing power of a bull. So this looks a lot more like a bull trend starting. So hopefully we're gonna, I mean, obviously already we see if we don't go below this, then yeah, you see it starts to go up. It's a nice bull trend there. Though some of the candles longer, I guess, but it's also a good point to enter as in the uptrend, because that's it already picked up. It already started, it picked up, and so it was a perfect moment to go in. As you can see, we have the profit. Nice. So we're gonna go with the next one, and I'm gonna go with the big one now, 6,000. Okay, let's go with a call option for 6,000 at this point, because I see a turning point there. If you look at the pattern, it acts as there's a pattern called the turning of the turn of the trend, and this is what I see here. It looks like kind of a not a cup, but maybe like a glass. So you can see basically also there's a support level. You can see it's like a double bottom there, because if you look at the two bottoms there, they're more or less they're creating a support line from which this just bounced off, obviously. So it touched exactly the support line, and then it went up. So this is a good opportunity. Okay, we're gonna go with the next option. We have 11,000 already. So although we started with a bit higher today, it wasn't like $5-10. It was already higher numbers, 160 I think I started with. So let's go with the next one, and I'm gonna go with a call option here again for another 6,000. Let's go 6,000, and you see the stochastic line is basically showing us that it started. This is a really good point because stochastic already crossed the fast line, already crossed the slower line, and it had spent a while in, well, minutes, but still for us as we trade in the 1 minute. So it spent a while in the oversold section. So, and it started to go in, it started to go up. So it's a really good point also to, although I wish we had a little bit earlier situation, because it was definitely going up. But still here I hope like that is gonna turn out well, because basically it's still going up. Although, I mean, for 1 minute is fine. For 1 minute we can do it. There we are. Great stuff going on. Okay, so this is 16,827 on our balance, just starting from 160. We're gonna stop here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, comment and like. Don't forget about the description to this video with all the useful information. There are links to all the stuff, and I'll see you all next time. All the best and good luck. Bye bye.